Thorpe has been one of the best pitchers, not only in the South Atlantic League, not only in minor league baseball, but in all of professional baseball since the end of May, having allowed just one run in his last 44 innings pitched.
Yeah, he gave up 4 runs in 5 2/3 inning in that start you mentioned on May 28th, and then he really just turned things on after that. Since that start, has allowed just the 1 earned run, scattered across 6 different starts. Then you can go back to that last start. He went 3 1/3 innings scoreless in that, so it has just been a tremendous run. I think one of the best runs that anybody's done this year, and arguably that I have seen in my 3 years in baseball so far. It hasn't been that long, but still, just a crazy run that he has been on, and looking to continue things here tonight. And for him, not pitching on a Sunday afternoon as well. So just the second time this year he's doing that.
You have Thorpe. Thorpe comes set. Keegan digs in, righty batter. And the right-hander delivers. First pitch, changeup, swung on and missed. It's on the team. The 0-1 pitch. Swing and a miss. 3 years, though. The set, the 0-2 runner takes off. Swing, a foul tip, and is squeezed by Gomez. Dominic Keegan strikes out of their strikeout 102 of this season. Up this half against Drew Thorpe. Looks out of the windup. First pitch to the righty is fouled off the plate. 67 OPS. Pitch is called strike. The 0-2. Slider misses out parks. Not a lot of neutral ones. 1-2 on the outside corner. Strike 3 called. Long home run last night in the second inning. First pitch, tapped ball more, and what did he ever yesterday? He awaits the pitch. Fouled off. The 1-2. Change up, missed outside, and the runner's going to take second base without a throw. On the bat, now the 2-2. Tapped foul, back by. Target set high, the pitch. Fouled straight back. Set the 2-2. Second base, the 2-2 pitch. Swing and a miss. He struck him out, went back to the high inside fastball.
As Thorpe strides in, one lefty hitter. As a changeup who checks his swing. They appeal to our gaze who says he goes around. 0-2 from Thorpe. Swing and a miss for strike 3. Fastball high and in at 92. Ties up. Second run allowed at 46 2/3. As that's Vasquez at third base and Williams in motion. Pitch a called strike. Throw to third. And they got him. Base is empty, 2 gone. And Vasquez takes a called third strike. On the as it'll be Dominic Keegan, 5th man in the order for Bowling Green. Lead things off on the right. Keegan out of Vanderbilt. 0-1. Nods and gets aside. 1-2. Breaking ball. Keegan rolls over 4 driven in. 1-2. Skies it high. And the doubled. 1-2. Swing and a miss. Got him on a changeup. He was out in front of it. Went down on strikes his first time swinging. His lefty batter. 0-1. And Schnell out in front of a changeup. That's peeling in every start. 0-2. Swing and a miss. Off speed, got him again.
Battles, Blake Robertson and Drew Baker do up against the right-hander. Kicks and deals the first pitch. Breaking ball in for a strike and a pew pew. Pitch, swing and a miss. Out of the windup, the 0-2 to Battles. Swing and a miss. He struck him out. A slider down to the dirt. Picked up by the catcher, Gomez.
Here, the battle line back. Right-hander Drew Thorpe. Facing 79 in the hot rods order today with a pair of doubles and a pair of RBIs. Is 1 ball and 1 strike to Nick Schnell as he swings and misses. Thorpe wheels and deals the pitch. Number 10, the 2-2. Swing and a miss. How about another changeup for Mr. Thorpe? And he gets Schnell spinning around in the left-hander's batter's box. 10 today for Thorpe.